Yo, welcome back to the channel everyone. Hope you guys are all doing well. It's Oscar here again, and today we're gonna be talking, man, this week has been a serious roller coaster for me as far as trading. Probably the biggest roller coaster, or it's pretty up there as roller coaster weeks as far as trading. Considering I've only been in the stock market for about a year, so yeah, let's kind of talk about that. So like I said, I've been kind of up on my highest all-time gains in a single day, and almost as in whole gains in general as well. Maybe, possibly, I'm not sure, because my other account has been up a pretty big amount once before, but this is my options account that I basically started as an experimental account. The main idea behind it was to keep $125 in it. If you guys have watched my AMC $400 profit video, the Nokia one, the Fisker one, any of those ones, this was an experimental account that I put 125 bucks into, and I was basically gonna do weekly options trades and try to see what I can do in a short amount of time, and what kind of gains I could get, what kind of percentages, and just overall get the feel for options, and kind of figure out what they are, try to make some extra money on the side, and kind of figure this thing out. But yeah, we'll hop onto my phone real quick. So like I said, this week has been a pretty roller coaster of a week. Considering this week was last week was basically the start, or maybe the semi-start, of this whole squeeze thing. And then AMC hit 70 bucks yesterday. BlackBerry hit 20 bucks at opening yesterday, and everything was going up. And then the kind of middle / early morning of yesterday, and yesterday towards the end of the day, everything was selling off, and same thing as today. So we're on Robinhood. Let's look at the 1 month. So if we start at the beginning, June 1st, I think, yeah, so I gotta see. So I put in a little bit more extra money than I usually would in doing this account, just because all the crazy stuff going on right now. But so if we look at the week, started the week off, it says 706, and we're currently sitting at 601, so only 79 bucks down for the week. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with 79 bucks down for the week. But here's the thing that gets crazy, right? If we look at June 1st, let me just double check so June 1st was Tuesday, Monday was Memorial Day, so June 1st we had a small gain. Then the second Wednesday we started flying, hit 1,600 in the account. I was up 661 bucks for the week that day. Then comes yesterday, towards the end of Wednesday, we kind of dropped down. Then we were seeing Thursday morning, BlackBerry is 19 something pre-market, and this thing skyrocketed. At one point I was 1,200 bucks up, and an all-time high for this account, 1922. And then it kind of dropped, it came back a little bit, went back a little bit more, and then just poof, all the way down. Basically from 1922, and then about maybe 2 hours later we're sitting at 971, and then go up a little bit, and then dang, and then up again, and then we're down. So yesterday ended off the day at around 1229, and then this morning wake up and we're 1229, up a little bit to 1336. We're up 465 bucks in basically 10 minutes, and then everything just started going downhill. So total today, loss 270. I think yesterday's loss was something like let's see, 1334. Yesterday lost around $100, which wasn't terrible. So the past 2 days have been pretty detrimental in the account, but like I said, can't do too much when things are going kind of bananas. But now let's look at my orders. AMC call option, or was it, no, BlackBerry call option I purchased on Monday for $70, expiring today. That AMC or BlackBerry was going to be at 12.5, ended up being in the money, so gained around a 2 times profit on that for 146. So about $76 profit on there, and then I got a bunch of call options going right now. So those are all in the red. As far as BlackBerry, I'm still up $76, so 74%, which is pretty good. CLNE down $36, Ford down $6, and Sundial we're down $140. So that's okay. Anyways, this is kind of okay. This is like the main reason I want to make these accounts, because people think about glorifying traders, that trading's easy and all this. I mean, it can be if you get lucky, but the ultimate thing about trading, it goes up, it goes down. You have really good days, you have really bad days, and that's just the thing you just have to do. Some weeks you might make a couple grand if you have a bigger account. Some days or some weeks you might lose a couple grand. Depending on your profile size and everything like that, it is a challenge, but those who like fully go through this and make it and last a long time in the stock market will be those that ultimately succeed and do really well. So, like I said, this whole options trading portfolio and almost like an options trading challenge for myself, really fun so far. And I've really liked it, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. I'm really finding options really fun, and you know it can be a challenge, but I'm finding a way to kind of find out what I'm doing correctly and what I'm doing wrong, and kind of every week I take a little bit of time, go over what trades I made that week, and then implement them into next week's thing about what I could do better, what things I kind of messed up on, and stuff like that. So that's going to be my little ups and downs kind of update portfolio for my options trading account for this week. Going into next week, I got the calls that you guys saw on my Robinhood. I'm hoping things next week will get better, and hopefully we can have a awesome week next week. So thank you again for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed, please drop a like. If you guys have any comments or any insight or tips or stuff like that for me, please put those down in the comments. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We're on the road to 1K, almost there. And yeah, thanks again for watching the video, and it's been Oscar, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.